to ride farther, harder, and smarter. The 2025 Kawasaki KLR 650 is here, and it's more rugged, refined, and ready than ever. Whether you're tackling mountain trails or cruising highways, this dual sport legend just leveled up. Stick around as Next Gen Reviews dives into everything new, improved, and must know about this iconic adventure bike. Tougher than ever. For 2025, Kawasaki builds on the KLR legacy with a stronger frame, enhanced suspension tuning, and improved off-road durability. It's still the no-nonsense workhorse riders trust, but now with sharper engineering and smarter design choices that boost confidence on any terrain. Tech meets tradition. The tried-and-true 652 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine returns, but with smoother fuel delivery and optimized power for both low-end grunt and long-haul comfort. A refreshed digital dash, USB charging port, and LED lighting round out the modern features without compromising its rugged simplicity. Adventure-ready versatility. The 2025 KLR 650 is available in multiple trims, including the adventure-ready version with side cases, auxiliary lighting, and upgraded protection. With a larger fuel tank and improved wind protection, this bike was made to roam. Final thoughts. Reliable, affordable, and built to go the distance. The 2025 KLR 650 proves adventure doesn't need frills to be thrilling. Want to know if this is your next ride? Hit subscribe and don't miss our full breakdowns here on Next Gen Reviews.